Today's lesson is on dividing a 3-digit number by 8 and by 9. Over to the side, you'll see I have the steps written in order to help remind you. And down at the bottom, you have 4 equations for you to solve on your own and submit on Seesaw. Let's look at the first equation. We've got 996 divided by 8. So the first thing we're going to look at is the 900s. How many groups of 800 can I make out of 900? Well, I can only make one group of 800 out of 900. 1 times 8 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then I bring down the 9. So now I have 19 tens. Okay, so how many groups of 8 tens can I make out of 19 tens? Well, I can make 2 groups of 8 tens out of the 19 tens. 8 times 2 is 16. 19 minus 16 is 3. 3 is less than 8, so I bring down the 6. Now I have 36 ones. So then I have to think, how many groups of 8 can I make out of 36? I'm going to count by 8s to figure this out. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Ooh. 40 is too far. So I counted by 8s up to 5, so I'm going to go back 4 times. So 8 times 4 is 32. And 36 minus 32 equals 4. So I have a remainder of 4. We put a lowercase r with the period, 4. So 996 divided by 8 equals 124 with a remainder of 4. Now let's look at 388 divided by 9. Well, we first look at the hundreds place. Can I make groups of 900 out of 300? No. So now I'm going to look at this as 38 tens. Okay, so how many groups of 9 tens can I make out of 38 tens? Well, I'm going to count by 9s to figure that out. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Oh, 45 is too far, so I have to go back to 36. So that looks like I can make 4 groups. Because 9 times 4 is 36. 38 minus 36 is 2. 2 is less than 9, so I bring down the 8. Now I have 28 ones. How many groups of 9 ones can I make out of 28 ones? Well, again, I'm going to count by 9s. 9, 18, 27. Oh, 27. It's really close to 28. So that was 3 groups because 9 times 3 is 27. And 28 minus 27 equals 1, which means I have a remainder of 1. So 388 divided by 9 equals 43 with a remainder of 1. Again, here are your equations to solve and submit on Seesaw.